Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to unbox the Fotodiox reversible flower lens hood for Sony a6000 camera. As you know, when you buy this camera there is no lens hood available in the package, so the first thing you should do is go ahead and buy this. I've been searching a lot for a proper lens hood for my beautiful camera, and I can strongly recommend this brand because it is not only reversible but also it has an amazing quality and you can use it like forever with your kit lens. So let's go ahead and unbox this lens hood, which is the filter thread for camera is 40.5 millimeter, 40.5 millimeter, which is quite rare in the market for buying the lens hood. So I think the only option you have is this one. It does include the lens cap with a strap, so probably you won't use your original Sony lens cap anymore. You can keep it away in the packet. So as you can see, I don't know you can see or not, but the quality is amazing. It feels like metallic solid lens hood here. So let's go ahead and attach this to the lens. It works perfectly. At the end you can adjust the hood in a proper position. Then you can either use the original lens cap, or the one which comes with the lens hood package. You can use both of them, but I think I would use this one because it has a strap and I can attach it to my camera. So let's turn the camera on and see how does it look like on the camera. Really good. Also, this lens hood is reversible. You can easily pull it back and attach it. It has some spherical metal things in 4 different places of the hood, which you can attach it to this part of the lens. And that's it for storage. Then you can also use the cap again. It works perfectly well with the lens without any problem. So you can store your camera in a bag. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to press the thumbs up, and if you would like to buy this, go ahead and press the link in the description below. Thank you and see you later.